Hi everyone, as you know, I am Akshada Khatpe, science teacher of Signet Public School, New Nare. So student, today we are going to learn about the small topic from the lesson number 6, combustion and flame. So from this topic we are going to learn about the structure of candle flame. What? Structure of candle flame. So before starting the topic, student, let's understand what is meant by flame. Flame is the portion of burning the things. It is the portion of burning the fuels like a gas and the solid fuel as well. Okay, so let's learn about the zones of candle and structure of zones of candles. So before starting the topic, student, you just observe the different zones of candle. If you observe the candle zones, you will find there are 3 different zones are present in the candle. You can see the topmost. The 4 zones are brightly yellow in color. So it is called the luminous zone of the candle. Why this is the luminous zones? Because it is giving the bright light to us. And one more thing about this zone, it is partially combustion zone, because it not getting the sufficient oxygen to burn the vaporized wax particle. Because of that, the partially combustion are taking place at this zone. So these zones are moderately hot, means not too much hot and not too much low hot. So it is the moderate hot. Temperature is medium at this zone. Okay. Now you will find, students, one more zone is present downside. It is a dark in color. So because of that, this is known as a darkest zone of a candle. Why this is a dark zone? Because the combustion is not take place at this zone, because it is not getting the sufficient and little bit oxygen for the combustion. Because of that, the combustion will not be take place at this zone, and because of that, it is known as a dark zone. And the temperature at this zone is very low. The least hot, it is not hot like the third zone, and it is not hot like a second zone. The lowest temperature are present at this zone. Okay. Now one more zone you can see at the bottom and around the candle flame. So little bit blue color you can see around the candle, and downmost side as well you can see the blue color zone. Can you see the blue color? So this is the, again we can say, the non-luminous zone, because we are not getting any kinds of light from that zones. Okay, but this zone is known as a total combustion and take place at this zone. Complete combustion is take place at this zone, because it get the sufficient amount of oxygen to burn the vaporized wax particle. Okay, so total combustion will take place at this zone, and because of that, it is a bluish in color. And temperature of this zone is very hot. The hottest temperature are present at this zone. So these are the 3 zones of candle today we have learned. So let's recapitulate the topic. Today we have learned the zones of candle. In that we have learned the 3 zones of candle. The outermost zones is bluish in color, and it is the hottest zones of a candle, and complete combustion is take place at this zone. The middle zone is the brightly yellow in color. It is the partially combustion zone, and it is the moderate temperature. It is moderately hot. The middle one, the last one, is the dark zone. Though no combustion is take place at this zone, because of that, the temperature of this zone is very low. Least temperature are present at this zone. So these all are the 3 zones of candle. I hope, students, you have understand 3 zones of candle. That's why the goldsmith are using the outermost zones of a candle to melt the gold particles, because it's having the hottest temperature. Thank you.